Well, today I am on with cutting out the hob in the work surface. If anybody tells me that they're not worried about doing this, then they're liars. It's like cutting a hole inside of your van. Right, so what I've done, I don't know if you can see it if it's sun or not, I've marked it out the perimeter, if you want to call that, of the hob. I've measured the distance. Well, in fact, while the hob were on, I got a piece of wood, laid it here because that is a bit of a lip thing there. Obviously that sits inside, stop it sliding about. Yeah, so I put a piece of wood on there, obviously a straight line in there, and drew the do. So anyway, he's 10 mil anyway, well not 10 mil, but it's just under actually. So I've done that there, you can see that. So I'll be cutting the inside line, that's the external of the hob. These bits here is the triangle bits at the corners, and I've done exactly the same. I've got a piece of wood laid on that way, but going over, and then marked from there that way. What these are for, obviously I haven't got a clue. What we're going to find out, aren't we? Right, so I'll have to cut out for them after. So right, here goes. I am going to drill a hole and go around with jig. I was going to go around with router, you know, just on here, but sorry, I'll go straight on with jigsaw. Here we go. Right, where the angles are there, put drill holes in every one. So as when I'm going around with a router, it's usually a simple transition rather than bending blade or anything like that. Just for those who don't know, really. Right, I've cut it out, offered it in, and then marked up where these are, and then just cut them out. But it's still not sitting flush. What it is, just here, this angle, it's actually higher. Not a lot, but you might be able to see. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. There, look. Look at it. Look, if you look at level, it's just slightly higher. Now I could just cut these away. Cut them away. I've done with it, but you might take away a bit of the strength, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to router, I don't know, about 4 or 5 mil off each corner, there, here, there, here and here, and then we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't sit in, then I might have no option but to cut all the way around there, but I don't want to. Right, after loads of jiggery pokery, cutting a bit more out there for where the hinges, the actual piece of metal at the back is slightly bent, obviously to accommodate the hinge. Oh, it's a it's a shambles in a sense. Not only that though, when I was putting it in, I had to move this to the edge of the trestle, and it fell, and I broke it some more. Gutted, but it goes in anyway. Oh. Right, it's like that now because of the trestle. That's why I had to move it into there. It's going to go in. It's not going in. There you are. Oh, what's on now? Right, after 10 minutes. It's still lifted there, look. I just can't understand why. It's not caught on all. I wonder if it is that. I'm going to cut that little bit away. That's it, look. Can you see? Hang on, there. See that? I think that's what's doing it. Right, we're in, but not fixed in, if you know what I mean. It isn't screwed down. I think it's supposed to be a slight gap underneath, but I couldn't swear, because it's all the way around. No, I didn't take that. It's all the way around. But I'm wondering as well, once under these screws, there's like a bit of a mechanism thing underneath. Oh, can you see these? Now, they're supposed to turn. There, that there is supposed to turn as soon as it's there. So I'm hoping that when I unscrew it, it comes down. We'll see. Right, I didn't film outside the finished hob thing. So I'm doing it in-house. Right. These, I've drilled some holes, and when you actually screw from the top, it pulls them up. So they're in. That's better, isn't it? They're in. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? And the top looks like this. Right, looks like this. Well, that's what it's like. Like that. And there it is. The hob installed. And it's uptight all the way around. I'm very happy with that. Huh. Pretty, isn't it? Huh. I am not going to use that, I've decided. So I'm going to see if Smev have a plate that can go over it. A proper one. Or do something with it. Sandra's, well, me as well actually. Just worried about smells coming up from the tank. You know, from the water tank. Waste. I don't like that idea at all. So, yeah. Right, anyway, so, yeah. Very happy. I don't know how this is going to turn out. My phone's knackered. Broke the glass on the lens for the camera at the back of the phone. So, I've commandeered Sandra's. It's a more modern phone than mine, so I might come out widescreen this, I don't know. Right, I am going to upload this, I know. Right, Sandra's here, actually grafting for a change. Right, she's putting the mesh on the back of the new vent. Creepy crawly vent, she calls them. Right, what she's actually doing.
Got my dahlia.
He's putting some double-sided tape, obviously peeling it off, then putting the mesh down, and then putting tape over the top. Once they're in, we'll put a load of gunja tiger seal over our edge. That'll hold them. So she's more cuts on her than someone with a lot of cuts. Right, and I have decided to finish this piping here. I don't know what's wrong with this phone. What's happened to my phone? It's gone all horrible. Where's me? Oh, bloody. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but everything's all blur. The reason being, I have broke my camera lens on outside. Oh, what a bummer. Anyway, so I'm doing the copper pipe. I wonder if I'll wear that. I've turned camera around, so we might be able to do it this way. Yeah, copper pipe. Originally we're going that way, blah blah blah. Yeah, as I say, this is hard work. Where are we? Oh my god, this is hard. Yeah, it's at front here is the connector for the hob. So I've now got that there. I don't know if you can see or not. There, up through the floor. There. Right, so I'm going to bend it here now. Put it along here. What a disaster this. Right at the flipping end. It's flipping end. Yeah, see you tomorrow, Dave.